Hello friends, welcome to Aromaticity Part 5. This question, it is from CSIR NET exam. The correct order of acidity of these three compounds, it is which is more acidic, that we have to look for. Now what we have to remember, there is a hydrogen over here. There are two hydrogens at this part, but we are concerned only about one hydrogen, and there is hydrogen here. Now what do you mean by acidity? Okay, if it has to be acid, it should be H plus donor, it should be giving H plus in the solution. That is Arrhenius theory. So if we get H plus in the solution, it will be acidic. Now which one will give this H plus easily? That is more acidic. If it gives H plus ions easily in the water, that is more acidic. Which one it is difficult in giving the H plus, that will be less acidic. Now among these three hydrogen, which is given easily as H plus in the water, that will be more acidic. Now we have to check for this. Suppose if you lose this hydrogen, we get a new structure. We have a cyclopentadienyl anion. We get a minus charge here. We have CF3. We have CF3 here. Okay, this is the formation. Now that means it gives H plus ions in the solution. Now let us check for, see what will be the case. We will have okay. Now these are the cyclopentadienyl anion that we are getting. We will consider this part later. Now what is happening? Is it aromatic? That we have to check. Is it planar? Yes. Conjugated. This negative charge can fall here. It can fall here. This double bond can be delocalized. Yes. Conjugation is there. All our sp2 hybridized carbon conjugation is there. In both the cases, I'm talking about both all sp2 hybridized carbon conjugation, they are planar. Is it following 4n plus 2? That we have to check now. If how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons. If I substitute n with 1, 4 times 1, 4, 4 plus 2, it is 6. So 6, it is satisfying. In this case also, there are 6 electrons. Yes, it satisfies 4n. It satisfies 4n plus 2 pi electron. Okay, the next part, it is there is CF3 group here, CF3 group, and here there is CH3 group. Now CF3 group, it is more electron withdrawing group, therefore it will stabilize this minus ion. Here there is CH3, which is less electronegative than CF3 group, so this one will be more acidic. Both are aromatic, both will be stable, and it will give H plus ions easily in the water, so both are highly acidic. But in this case, what is happening, because of the presence of CF3 group, because it is more electronegative, this one will be more acidic. So this is the most acidic species, followed by this. Now what about B part? B part, I'll draw it here. There is hydrogen. Now to be acidic in nature, it has to lose one hydrogen. Once it loses this hydrogen, we get a structure like this, and here there is a minus charge. Is it planar? Yes, it is planar. Is it delocalized? This negative charge can fall here, and this bond can fall here as negative charge, and it will be delocalized. Yes, delocalization is there. Is it planar? Yes, it is planar structure. Now regarding 4n plus 2 pi electron, we will check 4n plus 2 pi. Let us substitute n with 0. 4 times 0 plus 2, it is 2. 4 times, if I substitute n with 1, 4 times 1, 4, 4 plus 2, it is 6. So either it should be 2 or 6. In this case, we are having 1, 2 electron, negative charge, each negative charge, 2 electrons are there, 2. So 2 plus 2, it will be 4 electrons. So in this case, there are 4 electrons. Is it matching with these numbers? No. so it is not aromatic. Is it anti-aromatic? Let us check. Anti-aromatic, the condition was it should be 4n. If I substitute n with 1, 4 times 1 it is 4. So it is matching with anti-aromatic. And anti-aromatic, they are highly unstable. That means it is really, it should not be acidic. Not acidic at all. Why it is not acidic? Because it becomes anti-aromatic once it loses the proton from here. So we are having A part will be the most acidic because here we are having aromatic character plus the electronegativity is there. The next one which will be most acidic will be C, because here only aromaticity is there, aromaticity, and followed by B. But B, we have to remember that it is not acidic at all, because once it loses the hydrogen from here, it becomes anti-aromatic because it follows the 4n rule.